Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and insights on the latest products hitting the market. Today, we're diving into the world of jewelry, specifically focusing on what could easily be dubbed as the best rose jewelry set out there. That's right, folks. We're talking about the stunning gold rose pendant necklace for women by Arget. This necklace is not just a piece of jewelry. It's a statement, a symbol of elegance, and a perfect blend of style and sophistication. Let's start by delving into what makes this necklace stand out from the rest. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, this necklace features a beautifully designed rose pendant, exuding charm and allure. The gold chain adds a touch of luxury, elevating your look effortlessly. Now, what sets this necklace apart is its versatility. Whether you're dressing up for a formal event or simply adding a touch of glamour to your everyday attire, this necklace seamlessly complements any outfit. Pair it with a little black dress for a classic and sophisticated look, or layer it with other necklaces for a trendy and chic vibe. The options are endless, and the choice is yours. But let's talk about quality because, let's face it, that's what truly matters when investing in jewelry. The gold rose pendant necklace is crafted with premium materials, ensuring durability and longevity. You can rest assured that this necklace will retain its shine and elegance for years to come. Another aspect worth mentioning is the adjustable design. Whether you prefer a snug fit or a more relaxed look, you can easily adjust the length of the necklace to suit your style and comfort. So, there you have it, folks. The gold rose pendant necklace for women by Arget isn't just a piece of jewelry. It's a timeless accessory that adds a touch of sophistication to any ensemble. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful reviews on the products you love. Until next time, stay stylish.